Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nadia Azizah. I would like to present our teamwork in the topic Student Perspective about STEM Application to Basic Measurement Equipment Project. In here, STEM is not the real meaning. STEM is a term of science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Today, STEM going worldwide. As a teacher, we need to follow the trend. Teacher is one of learning outcomes of physics education study program, so they need constructivist perspective before the application. By the aim and concentration in this research, we use thematic analysis to get the result. In this research, we use Google Form as an instrument with 5 Likert scale for the number of sample 23. This thematic map was used in this research to analyze the perspective of STEM application after done with those 5 physics measurement equipment projects. To be a constructivist perspective, start from how was the learning process until the branch such as knowledge, research, content design, practical, and collaborative activity. One of the strongly agree response to the engineering application to this DC voltmeter is DC voltmeter is a project with structured design to be built, but in the opposite, another strongly disagree response said that DC voltmeter project created without using any software, so it can't be engineering categorized. For the student perspective of STEM application to galvano project, in the average, strongly agree response to engineering and art application said that galvanometer is a project with structured design to be built, so it is related to engineering and art. Student perspective of math application to determining spring constant project involve strongly agree, and neutral. One of the response in strongly agree is the trade line to determine the spring constant is a math process. The average of strongly agree response to math application said that to make sure the vernier caliber in accuracy needs math to get right gear with correct black gap so it can be moved to measure an object. But in the opposite, disagree response said that in the vernier caliber making did not need math. The average of strongly agree response to technology, engineering, and art application said that in the making process of sensory equipment need technology, engineering skill, and art skill, such as understanding diode function and to make the circuit as the reference schematic. But in the opposite, other strongly disagree response said that there is no relation between technology and sensory equipment to detect water haze project. Overall, for the STEM component, the standard deviation are way smaller than the mean of each. The highest means belong to math component. It's about 4.478. Applied physics in the project include all the learning process, which is in scientific approach. Each of the project contain knowledge, research, practical, content design, and collaborative activity. The very high correlation of science application to the 5 projects is shown at the table, with the correlation coefficient 0.971. According to the thematic analysis, we conclude that the 5 physics measurement equipment project is probably constructed with the STEM application. In addition, corresponding to the qualitative quantitative data such as responses, mean, standard deviation, Pearson or coefficient, and t-test for the association. In this research, the t-test is not elaborated in certain consideration. That's all my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.